Our satellites have detected traces of tritium within a container heading out from the port of Shabbat. Combined with the rising anti-American sentiments in the region, Command fears the worst. Proceed to the port of origin and locate the sources of radioactive emissions. Contact Command immediately with your findings. Use any necessary force. Do not attempt to take further action upon discovery of radioactive emissions.
Chief, our sources have detected nuclear radiation in the port. Possible nuclear warhead inside one of the warehouses here. Find it. All right, slow it down, Chief. Heavy enemy movement ahead of you. Use your sniper rifle to take out those sentries before they sound the alarms. Good work. Hostiles eliminated and no alarm.
Nothing inside the west warehouse. I'm heading north. Over.
Copy that. Nothing here either.
Excellent work, Chief. Now use your rad detector to search the crate with a red mark. One more warehouse to search. Find a way to reach it.
All good here. At least they didn't know we were coming this time.
You mean we got good intel for once? Cue the flying pigs.
There's no other way to get into the warehouse. Find a way to activate the crane and move that container. Good. Now find the second warehouse, Chief. Good. Now find the second warehouse, Chief. Your team is on its way to the last warehouse. Rendezvous inside and check the first crate for radiation.
Command, we've discovered an underground passage inside the warehouse.